When you buy a MOTORTREND certified vehicle from Sarah, you also get tire and wheel coverage. If you should suffer a flat tire by hitting something in the roadway, and this will be between the curbs, anything that you hit that's not supposed to be in the road that causes damage to your tire, we will do one of two things. We will either repair the tire if it's repairable, or if it's not, we will replace the tire. And we'll replace it with a tire just like the other three you have on your vehicle. Now, if you hit something hard enough, the mother of all potholes, if you will, and you bend or break your wheel to the point where it will no longer hold air, we will replace your wheel. Now, tires could be anywhere from $150 to $700 or $800. Wheels themselves can be $400 to $1,000. But when you buy a MOTORTREND certified vehicle, your tires and wheels are warranted against road hazards for the first 6 months, unlimited miles of ownership. And you can also extend that coverage up to 5 years. Just check with one of our finance people and they'll show you exactly how you can do that.